Hey there! If you clicked on this video, you're probably intrigued by the world of options trading, but might feel like you're trying to read a map without any directions. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're diving into the realms of credit spreads and debit spreads. And by the end of our journey, you'll not only understand what these are, but also how to navigate these strategies like a pro. So buckle up and let's get started. Option spreads can seem like a complicated dance of buying and selling, but think of them as your strategic moves in the options trading game. Both credit and debit spreads are about making these moves with precision and strategy, aimed at maximizing your gains or minimizing your losses. Imagine you're a general plotting your next move. That's what setting up a credit spread feels like. It involves selling a high premium option while simultaneously buying a lower premium option. The magic happens because you collect more premium from the option you sell than what you pay for the one you buy, resulting in a credit to your account. For example, you sell a call option with a strike price of $40 for $1. You've just netted a cool $200, setting the stage for potential profits if the spreads between these options narrow. On the flip side, let's say you're more of a treasure hunter, seeking to uncover value with a bit of an upfront investment. This is where debit spreads shine. You buy an option that costs more upfront and sell another for less, spending a bit of cash or debit from your account in the hopes that your chosen direction will pay off handsomely. For instance, buying a put option for $5 and selling another put option for $1 means you're betting $400 on a strategic move. If the market plays in your favor, this can lead to significant gains with limited risk. Deciding between a credit or debit spread is like choosing the right tool for the job. Credit spreads are your go-to in volatile markets, allowing you to collect premiums and possibly benefit from time decay. Debit spreads, however, are best when you expect moderate moves in the market, letting you capitalize on directional bets with limited risk. I personally prefer credit spreads because you get paid when you open the position, and if you do them right, you're profitable if the markets are flat, move in your direction, or even move against you a little bit. And for those diving deeper into investing, I give real-time trade alerts in my Patreon, and if you'd like to try my TradingView custom indicators, there's a free trial link in the description below. With that out of the way, let's go over an example. Let's bring this home with a fictional example. We have two stocks, AlphaTech and BetaWorks. AlphaTech is booming and you expect it to rise. You might implement a bullish credit spread by selling a high premium call and buying a lower premium call. On the other hand, if you believe BetaWorks is set for a slight dip, a debit spread by buying a high premium put and selling a lower premium put might be your best bet. Every great strategist needs a plan, and now that you understand the basics, it's time to build yours. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all in options trading. Experiment with both credit and debit spreads in your paper trading account. Analyze how each move plays out under different market conditions. And most importantly, keep learning. The world of options is vast and knowledge is your most valuable asset. In our next lesson, we'll dive into the exciting world of straddles, another fantastic strategy to add to your trading arsenal. Options trading isn't just about making random moves. It's about strategy, precision, and a bit of daring. Credit and debit spreads are just the beginning. Stick with me and together we'll explore all the tactics that can make you a master of the options market. Keep it real and I'll see you in the next video.